everyone. Imagine walking into a restaurant, ordering your favorite meal, and getting a fast, hassle-free bill. No errors and no delays. Well, that's exactly what our digital restaurant ordering and billing system in C++ is designed to do. Our system lets customers select items from various categories, including main courses, side dishes, salads, appetizers, desserts, and beverages. It calculates the total price instantly, and if you order exceeds 250 ringgit, you get an automatic 20% off discount. Not only does it generate a clear, detailed receipt with all itemized costs, but it also tracks total customer and revenue, making it useful for restaurant management. Built using arrays, functions, loops, and conditionals, this system showcases the power of C++ programming in real-world applications. With this project, we aim to enhance the efficiency and improve customer experience. Here is the objectives of our project. First, design and implement a restaurant billing system, display a detailed menu, automatically calculate the total price, generate a detailed bill, support multiple customers, seamless, accurate, and efficient ordering.
Hello everyone, today I will talk about an order processing system that helps customers place orders, calculate the total price, apply discount, and updates the total revenue. This system makes ordering easier and more efficient. Let's go through how it works. The first step is collecting input. The system gathers three main details. First, it collects customer information, including their name and email. Second, it records the quantity of each menu item selected by the customer. The menu includes categories such as the main course, side dishes, salads, appetizers, desserts, and beverage. Finally, the system asks the customer whether they want to continue with the order or cancel it. In coding, we use input function to get and store this detail. Once the input are collected, the system processes the order. It first retrieves the menu items and their prices, storing them in an array or list. Then it keeps track of the selected quantities for each item. After that, it calculates the total price by multiplying the quantity by the price of each item using the formula total price equal to quantity times price. In programming, we use loops to go through each item and perform this calculation. Next, the system checks if the customer is eligible for a discount. If the total price is more than 250 ringgit, a 20% discount is applied using the formula discount equal to 0.2 times total price, and final price is equal to total price minus discount. After calculate the final amount, the system prepares a detailed bill listing all the items, their quantities, unit prices, and total cost. The customer is then given the option to place another order or exit the system. If they place another order, the process repeats. Finally, the system updates the total revenue by adding the final price of each order to the overall revenue using total revenue equal to sum of all final prices from customers. In coding, we use if statement to check for discount and loops to update revenue.
Alright, now I'm going to explain about the output of this program. So first, it will display all the menu item for each category, and then the customer input. So the customer will be asked to insert their full name and email. Then they need to insert their quantity. And then the third is a price calculation. The program then will calculate all the total of prices from the menu item. Then the discount application. If overall exceed 250 ringgit, then 20% of discount will be applied to the program. Then the bill breakdown, the customer and name and email, the total price before and after discount, breakdown of each item and the quantity. Alright, next, the program will be asked to repeat or the exit. The program will prompt the user whether they want to continue the order, then they need to press Y, and N for no if they want to exit from the program. Then the second is customer count and total revenue. After the selection of the number of the customer and the revenue will be generated and displayed at a bill statement. Alright, now I'm going to explain about the main function. So when the program started, all the menu restaurant will be displayed, and it will prompt the user to insert their information, for example name and email, and then the program will prompt the user to enter the quantity for each category, for example category of the menu from above, and then it will call the call price function to calculate the price, and then it will call the call discount function, which is discount equal to call discount multiplying with total all the prices, and then calculate after discount and after price equal to total price minus discount, and when all the summary order will be displayed. Then after that, the revenue and customer count will be updated and asking the user whether they want to continue or not. If they choose yes, then the process will be repeated again from the above, and when they choose no, then all the total displayed with the revenue and the customer will be displayed and end the process. Alright, now I'm going to explain about the return value price function. So it will started with start, which is the program when it start, and then sum equal to 0 and have a loop process there, which is yes and no selection control. Then if not, if no, if the user choose not, then it will exit loop. Then if yes, then it will ask the user to input all the quantity from the menu restaurant, and it will return all the sum to the main function again. Alright, so the second is the return value for discount. So of course it started with start and total price, discount equal to 0. So if the total all prices exceed 250 ringgits, then it will go through the discount function, which is discount minus 0.2 multiplying with total price, and then it will return the discount to the main function back, and then if not exceed 250 ringgit, then it will just directly end the process. So now for a last function, which is void function. So of course it will start with start and display the total behavior, and it will go through all the loop through all the menu item we have in the restaurant, and lastly it will display all the summary bill and end the process. So why it go loop through all the menu item in the restaurant? Because they need to show all the menu that they have in our restaurant, and show all the quantity that were insert from the user to be displayed in the summary bill.
Now, going into the demo of the C++. As you can see, this is the video that we are going to show our demonstration. So the first one is we are going to input the name of our user. Then we're going to put their email. Now moving on into the demo of the C++. As you can see, this is the video of our demonstration, so watch carefully. For the first one, we are going to put our user name. For the second one, we are going to put our user email. After done these two, we are going to choose our main course. Then we are choosing our side dish. Then our salad. Then appetizer. Desserts. And lastly, beverage. After we done all of these choices, we are going to continue our order so we can have 2 users at once. So the next user is Rafiq. Then we are going to put the email too, same as before. Then we are going to choose our main courses. This one is for the side dish. For salad. For appetizer. For desserts. And lastly, beverage. After we done all of these choices, we are going to stop our order and we are going to get our receipt. So here you can see this is our bill receipt. It's going to show the full of the order and the bill for the receipt. That's all. Now reaching the end of our project presentation, which is conclusion. The conclusion is the system efficiently automates the billing process by reducing errors and improving accuracy. It effectively demonstrates key programming concepts, making the billing process seamless and user-friendly. Future improvement for the system include integrating a GUI interface, enabling online payment options, and implementing real-time inventory tracking to enhance its functionality further.